Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to integrate widgets into your website. And here you can see Rentware backend. There's a variety of settings and widget types that we can implement. And we're going to start off with an example to integrate our object into the website. And I'm going to tag Porsche Taycan and select a booking calendar widget. The first question I'm asking myself is, what design do I want to implement? Do I want to implement a calendar view or a cards view or the time slots? Here with the cards view, you can easily access the article details with the calendar. So here's the date picker. We have different kind of widget types to choose from. So for now, I'm going to go for the cards view for the detailed description. And to implement the widget into the website, we need these code parts. We have two parts. And the first one defines the connection to the checkout, to the following booking steps, and needs to be inserted once. So the first thing to do is I will put this into our website simulator. And here you can see there is a blank space for where the content of the website will be shown. And I'm going to put our checkout code in the left HTML. And you can see there is a button created for the checkout part. And as a second part, I will go back to our backend and copy the second code part, which defines the article with the article ID. And we're going to put this right below to create the specific article widget. So as you can see here. So from now on, I can book our article. I can go into the Book Now button and select my preferred booking dates. For example, these booking dates, I can put this into my cart and follow the next steps, which are selecting accessories, for example, child seat, and continue to power options up to the payment step. So going back here, I can also click on the picture or on the title, and we'll go back to this detailed view. And there we have all the functionality of the article widget. But if I want to implement the search widget onto the same website, I can just select in my Rentware backend the group search widget. And here I can again choose between different designs, between lists, cards, or booking slots. And as well, I can pick advanced settings, for example, different icons for the cards, for a car rental. Of course, a racer, a car, something like that is preferred, but we could also select a bike for a bike rental or anything else that suits our business. And I can do different adjustments for roundings, for font, for colors, and then I can go onto my code and copy the step 2 again for the website. And in my website simulator, I will just add this below my article widget, and you can see in here that we are supposed to pick a location. Once I have done this, again, I can go to the date selection, pick a date, a time, and then I will see all available items in this time that I have selected. So, of course, this should fit the website. This should fit the menu functions and everything around. But with these few lines of code, you can basically implement the widgets pretty easily. And if there's any problems about the implementation, web development team will always support. and help you out if we get the access to the website. Of course, we can also talk to web agencies and work together to get a pretty website out of this. And we also do websites ourselves. So in the end, we will manage to get a beautiful solution to that. And some of our case studies that we show you in our videos in here will hopefully underline our solutions to a beautiful online presence.